Here we have a oldie but goodie 1959 Ford Tbird convertible. Customer came in, had a complaint of it being a little too loud. They wanted to quieten it down a little bit, but didn't want to replace the whole exhaust system. So Gardy had recently had some mufflers put on the back, similar to the original mufflers. Well, they put 2.5-inch exhaust system on it all the way. You can see the pipes are a little bigger than the original 2-inch pipes. So we took out the front part where it came off the engine there, left it pretty much stock there, but came back, put an X pipe in it and some Flowmaster FX mufflers, and that really brought the tone down. Should be quiet enough for them to drive it around, just a cruiser, doesn't want it too loud. See, we tucked it in there nice and clean, but like I said, we reused these back mufflers. Let's see what it sounds like now. Definitely improved on the sound a lot, smoothed it right out. Got a little putter to it, it might need a little tuning on it. Might smooth it out a little bit more. 59, this was a lot of car back then. A lot of chrome, a lot of bling. I'll get it outside and show you what it looks like on the hoof, so to speak. Sounds pretty good. Like I said earlier, this is a lot of car. Big old boat. Just don't build them like this anymore, that's for sure. Beautiful car.